Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. And today, again, very welcome of day 10 of 5 excellence. So today in this video, I am going to share with you the concept of use context. Why we use context and what is use context. So all of the things we will see in this video. And for practice purposes, I will give you example, and tomorrow we will do some practice real, right? So how can we use it real in our real life? So now first of all, let's discuss what is use context and why we use context. So I earlier already told that to manage our data or state management there are some hooks, right? As like we have learned till now that how to use state, use reducer, right? So today is another concept that is use context. So use context comes play when we have many components, but we need some data in particular component. Let's say there are 5 components, but in the middle 3 components no need data, but fourth components need data. To now here is a question: how to pass data to fourth component? We can't provide it jump like directly. We need to pass one by one. We generally call it prop dealing. So to to stay away from the link, we can use context. So use context is comes play when we want to use our any data without passing probes. So let me share my screen so that I can show you an example so that you can get idea better. So I hope my screen is visible to you. So here you can see today is day 10 and 26. To state our data or to where to manage our manage state globally, so that we can access any data globally, no need to pass any probe. It can use together with using state hook to share between deeply nested components more easily. Now to use this concept we need to keep in our mind always three things. Number one is context provider, and number two is rep tool application, and number three is see an example here. Here you can see I have read one component which is called app.js, and inside app.js I import one component which is component. Now go to component. So here you can see component 2, component 3, component 4, component 5. Now here you can see that component 2 no need user here is this all is user. So this all user needs in the last component which is let's remove this, you need it. So here you can see that in the component 5, clearly see that component 2 this whole no need, but component 5 needs this whole. So now here you can see that I have accept your component 2 and I pass this data, right? So now component 3, here you can see props component 3, component 4, and lastly component 5, which is basically props dealing is working, right? But you can see here is no need user, right? User is no need here, but component 5 needs it. So we can't pass it without use context. If we use props, then we need to pass like this, right? So simply we can catch this data to component 5 just by using context, use context. So tomorrow I will show you how can we away from use it props dealing. We will simply use context.